Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Frustrated with Cash apps logging you out? Here is a quick fix to stop those annoying sessions timeout. So, before we begin, here's what you need. Your smartphone with Cash app installed, then a stable internet connections, Wi-Fi or mobile data, anything work, and lastly, your Cash app login details such as email, phone number, or cash tag plus PIN. Now here's a guide. Open your device App Store, Google Play Store or Apple App Store, then search for Cash App and see if there's any update button and tap it, download and install the latest version. And using an outdated app version can cause session timeout errors. And second, clear cache and data, which is work only for Android. So for that, open the device settings, go to apps or application manager, then find and tap on Cache app, then select your storage and then tap clear cache to remove temporary files that may cause the problem. If the causes or issues persist, you can try clear data. Notice this will log you out, so be prepared to sign back in. Next, restart your device. Press and hold your phone's power button, then choose restart or power off and then turn it back on. Restarting refreshes your phone system and can fix temporary glitches as well. Fourth, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if this problem persists. If you're on Wi-Fi, then try restarting your router. Ensure you have a strong and stable connections. Weak signals often cause session drops as well. Fifth, log out and log back into the Cash app. Open your Cash app, then tap your profile icon on the home screen, scroll down and tap Sign Out. Close the app completely, then reopen the Cash app and sign back in with your login details. This refreshes your sessions and can fix timeouts error. Sixth, reinstall your Cash app. Press and hold the Cash app icon on your phone, select the uninstall or delete app, then go back to App Store and search Cash app and reinstall it. Then log in again to start fresh. So this can fix corrupted files or incomplete install causing this issue. 7. Contact Cash app support if need. If none of the above fix your problem, then open Cash app, tap the profile icon, go to supports and select something else, then contact your support. Explain your session's timeout issues and wait for the help. And here are some additional tips you can try. Avoid switching networks like Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa during the transactions. Close other apps running in the background to free up some memories. Keep your phone's operating system always updated and enable automatic app updates to stay on the latest Cash app version. And that's it. If this helped, hit like, subscribe for more Cash app tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.